Too many unwanted apps on your Samsung Galaxy? Follow this quick guide to disable or hide pre-installed apps and keep your phone neat and clutter-free. Method 1. Disable pre-installed apps. If the uninstall button is not available, the app is likely a system app that Samsung or Android requires. Although you cannot delete it, disabling it prevents it from running in the background, removes updates, and hides it from your app screen. Start by opening the Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Scroll down and tap Apps to view the complete list of installed applications. Browse the list or use the search bar to find the pre-installed app you want to remove. Tap the app to open its information page. If the Disable button is available, tap it. A confirmation message will appear explaining that disabling the app may affect other applications. Tap Disable app or OK to confirm. The app will now be disabled, preventing it from running or appearing with your active apps. Method 2. Hide the apps. If an app cannot be uninstalled or disabled, you can still hide it to keep your home screen and app drawer organized. Open the Settings app and tap Home Screen. Alternatively, open the app screen, tap the three-dot menu and select Settings. Next, tap Hide Apps on Home and Apps screens. Select the apps you want to hide by tapping each one. After making your selection, tap Done or Apply to save the changes. The selected apps will no longer appear on your home screen or in the app drawer, but they will remain installed and can still be accessed through settings if needed. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next helpful Samsung Galaxy tutorial.